planks and demolition lumber. We're going to be feeding about 10 or 20 pounds at this time for a timed run. As you can see, the disc screen has done a very good job of separating a nominal 1-inch product on the accept sides from this oversized material that we're going to be running in the C17 hog upstairs. Okay, these are the oversized material. It appears that some of them are as long as 12 to 14 inches long, 4 or 5 inches wide, which should be good feed for the hog, which we can reduce further to make the mulch that's required. Over on the accept side, pieces are all would certainly pass through a 1-inch screen, I would think, Bob, huh?
Yes.
And what's the maximum length you got there? Maybe 2 to 3 inches?
Maybe about 3.
3-inch long?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.